Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dublin with the local time is 5 to 12. For continued safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead bins and the seat pocket in front of you. Take care when opening the overhead bins in case anything should fall out, causing injury to you or to a fellow passenger. Before your next flight, log on to our website at airlingus.com, where you'll find the best deals on flights, hotels, car hire and travel insurance. For future travel, remember you can always use the online check-in at airlingus.com. On behalf of our captain today, Brendan Dolan, and all the onboard crew, we thank you for flying with Aer Lingus. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to welcoming you on another service in the near future. Gurmanga the Gorge, Jeffrey, Aer Lingus News, Long Hispanic, the Liverpool. Thank you and a safe onward journey.